Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about how we can access the data from the dictionary. So far I have discussed about the how we can create a dictionary and what are the dictionary function. And this video we are going to see about how to access the data from the dictionary. A dictionary is the combination of key value pair. We have added the keys and values into the dictionary, and after that how we can access the data from the dictionary that we can see in this video. First of all, we can assign the values into the keys, and later we can fetch the values by using the keys. Okay, initially the values will be assigned to the keys, and later that values can be can be used. Later we can use that values by fetching the keys. Okay friends, let's see how we can access the data from the dictionary. Let's move on to the video. First of all, I'm going to create a dictionary. I want to create the student details. Okay. Student details. Student ID, then student name, simply I am taking Raj. String should be taken within the quotes. Then students age and mark. Mark 95. Okay, then I want to print the student details. Okay, have created a dictionary, have created the student details in the dictionary. Then I want to access the every element, that means every keys, every values. How we can access the values like age, name, ID and mark, that we will see. I want to get the student ID. For that, first of all, we should take the dictionary name, student details dot square bracket ID. Okay, see, we got 100. Student ID is 100. We got the result as 100. Then again I want to age, display the age 16. Again I want to display marks. Okay, by using this we can access the, by using this method we can access the dictionary values. Okay, by accessing the keys we can get the values, dictionary values. First we should take the dictionary name. Within the square bracket, what are the element we should need, I mean which elements, which keys value, which value we need, that key value should be present within the square brackets. Okay, Then if the if a mark contains multiple marks, like more than one mark present in the marks field, the key mark key contains more than one values, how we can access that marks, that we will see here. Again I am going to create Control C, same dictionary here. Okay, I am going to add some more fields. 95, 90, 85. Okay, the mark field contains 3 subjects mark. Okay, these are all the mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3. I want to get the mark 2. Okay, how we can access? Student details dot mark, mark. If we taken this, see, all the total marks has come. Okay, simply if you have entered the mark, all the marks will be displayed. But I want to display the second position mark, otherwise the third position on the first one. How we will display? Let's see. Student details mark of 0. 0 means the first 0th position mark will be displayed. The 0th position, so 95, the first one. And this second position, second one will come. Want to display the third one, so 85. Okay, this one will come. Okay, again I want to print out mobile number. Age has taken already, right? I want to display the key which is not present in the dictionary. Let's see what will happen. See, the student details mobile, it's not present in the dictionary, so have entered wrong. It displays the key error mobile. Okay, in this dictionary you have only 1, 2, 3, 4 keys only. Keys, if the user, if someone takes if the dictionary contains the more than n number of values, key value pass, how we can check the particular key element is present in the dictionary or not. That to find out the particular key is present in the dictionary or not, we will use the one function that called hash key of. Okay, hash key of. Okay, this is the function. It's used to check whether the specified key is present or not. Okay, if the particular dictionary contains the specified key or not. To find out that, we should use the hash key of function. But only the main thing is the hash key of function will supported by the Python 2 version. Okay, only by the will support by the Python 2 version. Python 3 version does not support this function does not support. See, I want to display, I want to check this particular key is present or not. Student hash key of ID. Okay, already the ID is present in our dictionary. See, attribute error because I am using the Python version 3, but the hash key only supported by the Python 2 version. To find out the particular key is available or not, we will use this technique in Python 3. Student details, what key should find out? ID. Okay, which key? ID in student details. See, it displays true, that means the particular key is present in the dictionary. Then want to check mobile field is available, mobile in student details. False, this field is not available. If you are using the Python 2 version, hash key values displays the particular check, it will displays the particular key is present or not. But in the Python 3 version does not support the hash key of function, so we should use this kind of format. That means our particular key value in function, it's a membership function. Okay, operator, it's a membership operator in and the dictionary name. Okay, if the key value is present in the dictionary, it displays true. If the key is not present in the dictionary, it displays false. Okay friends, that's it today. If you have any doubt, just leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.